Boom bye bye, boom bye bye. Alright, yo, today we have a different type of music. We have Laden and we have Chronicler upon a track. And to me personally, I anticipate that one because I feel like that one I go have some type of substance to it where we can actually vibe to. Because if you know Laden from back in the days, Laden was actually a great artist. I think even they go jail or something or prison for gun or something. So I guess the dog will come back on the music scene now. So make we jump in it. Remember, like, comment, subscribe. And if you don't subscribe, what you wait pan? Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think. You see me? Like me say over here, so I get the honest review them. And we're not gonna come by us and play a favoritism to no man. If it don't sound good, it just don't sound good. If it sound good, it sound good. So make we jump in it right now, no? And see what I go on.
I never know. Boy, dead right, there's a weed him phone fan him start snap. Right for shoe boat, the Kalishnikov clap. No. You can't get the G now, chronic large hat. If you be some shoes, you can't polish off that. Ends with crushing on no marijuana. Watch your drama, I'm a kick and never baller.
Pull it up again, and come again. How do you know? What do you know? Yo.
I never know. Boy, dead right, there's a weed him phone fan him start snap. Right for shoe boat, the Kalishnikov clap. No. You can't get the G now, chronic large hat. If you be some shoes, you can't polish off that. Ends with crushing on no marijuana. Watch your drama, I'm a kick and never baller. Carry food.
Ends with crush on no marijuana. Get your drama. Yo. Pull up. Oh, I'm doing man. No good music, man. Yo, one thing I love about dance time. Hold on, pause this. One thing I love about the video them coming out now is that the videos have quality. You can tell say whoever do the visuals, it is coming out very good. Song some bad so far. Nah, but hold on.
I never know. Boy, dead right, there's a weed him phone fan him start snap. Right for shoe boat, the Kalishnikov clap. No. You can't get the G now, chronic large hat. If you be some shoes, you can't polish off that.
Polish off that.
Ends with crushing on no marijuana. Watch your drama, I'm a kick and never baller. Carry four new rifle in a Vitara. Make them go sleep, not in a pajama. Yo, Boji, it's star 9 and use for shoot movie. But this stink like pussy clock, no ne. We full of gun and soapy. Broom binds longer than toad. Anybody this dead fast, headshot. To feed them rental, dead boy. Lift up every hem one. Evil will vent land. We bad from baby young. No win no ball, we chop a jail for gun. Me beat the rifle, yeah, you think it's slavery done. Back bush no fear Goliath, not even David's son. My rifle big like Grand Palladium. AK a fire, Grandpa nearly run. 2 clip a race out and a track on stadium. If you not listen me, you hear my gun. Tell them say we have jump and a shot. Bike for the waps. Broad daylight, this a rifle no lock. Pussy better stay flat like Whistler pack. Laden go feed them food and a rice in a pot. Wanna handle us, killers we around to us. Just ship some new 15 from over Honduras. Government badness like Seagas, killer than Di Maria. Yo, Boji, it's star 9 I use for shoot movie. But this stink like pussy clock, no ne. We full of carnac soapy. Broom binds longer than toad. Anybody.
Yo, we're full of carnac soapy, boom. Yo, Chronic Lies, yo. Right now, I feel like Chronicler deserve an international break, you know, yo. Chronicler bad, you know, Laden a bad artist from long time too, you know. And Chronicler just proved it, say, yo, him deserve for the end of the top. Right now, Chronicler deserve the end of the top 3, if not the top 3, the top freaking 5, to me, personally.
Dead fast, headshot, go feed them rental, dead boy, lift up every hem one. Evil will vent land. Boy, dead right, there's a weed him phone fan him start snap. Right for shoe boat, the Kalishnikov clap. No. You can't get the G now, chronic large hat. If you be some shoes, you can't polish off that. Ends with crushing on no marijuana. Watch your drama, I'm a kick and never baller. Carry 4 new rifle in a Vitara. Make them go sleep, not in a pajama.
Alright, yo. Make we talk about the song itself. Alright. Before we even give the song a number, I want to say big up to Laden, big up to Chronicler. Now, this is what dancehall need, unity, you see me? And if I see a collab like this, it brings joy to my heart because back in the old days when we used to see um medley, back in the days when medley used to be a thing, yo, and you have a whole heap of artists on one rhythm in a one video, you see me? So this kind of bring back memories like that. Even though it's not a medley, it's a collab, but a good see good collab come out now. No, Laden. Feel like Laden could have do a little bit more when it come to spitting lyrics and all that. But I think he did a very, very, very great job. Chronicler, superb. Can't even deteriorate the man talent or what the man do on the song. Yeah. So personally, I think the song was very good. I think the song now in terms of a club banger, I wouldn't I wouldn't possibly think you could play this in a well of course, yeah. I feel like I can play it in a dance session, but not when the dance hot. When you want music and you know everybody boom 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 boom. You see me? I mean I think other type of song them just feel like that type of song where you just mid to and you just go and build and other type they either playing at the music. You see me? The chill vibes at the party, and that's for me that put it in. But overall, we give the song a 10. Now, this might be the first song we give a 10 because I like how the song they put together. You see me? Chronicler did very well, Laden did very well. But however, I just think Chronicler overpowered Laden, which a lot of people would probably expect that because it is Chronicler and Chronicler is a very good artist. So we're not even go debate on that, but regardless, we not compare the two. We just know say you're the two people that make good music and we appreciate it. So overall, 10 out of 10. Chronicler, big up yourself. Laden, big up yourself. One of the great things. The song bad. Personally, me really and truly have nothing bad to say about the song. You see me? Um, with that being said, want to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But I think the song was well put together. I like the flow of the song. I like the lyrics, the punchlines, and all of that. And two artists them do good. Can't deny that. Two artists them do good. You see me? I pull it up a couple times. Because I saw song for song, brother. When you listen to a song for the first time, I saw song for song. If you listen to a song, bro, and you're bored or you're confused or you say, yo, what? You understand what I mean, brother? But yeah, man. Like, comment, subscribe, and soon, guys, in the next one.